All right, what's up, family? This is Sensei. Today we're doing the first install on this Gold Wing. This is a 2022 touring model with no backrest, no trunk. The reason why I didn't get the trunk, because they don't make the trunk for this design, for this color scheme. You have to get it painted, so I'll do that later down the line. Right now, though, I'm gonna be doing a whole lot of stuff this week and changing out this brand new bike that I just got. The seat itself, I'm gonna start off with taking off this panel. I'm gonna take my time. This will be the first work I'm doing on a Gold Wing. And as y'all know me already, I like to learn things and just kind of figure it out. Like right now, I'm just gonna take my time and figure this out. Here we go. I'm not forcing it. I just wanna feel where it snaps. Okay, so we got that snap. By the way, big shout outs to my guy, Chris Caliente. He's the one that I watched his video on how to get this stuff off. And the accessibility is pretty good. The battery's right here too. So we're gonna do that same thing on the other side. And on the seat, there are two bolts right here. There's one on this side, one on the other side. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go on the other side, do the same thing. I don't need to show you the other side because it's the same process. All right, be right back. So now I also took out that bolt. I'm using a 732 hex. This thing is torqued down pretty tight. There we go. First install of the 2024 Gold Wing. I hope I didn't say 2022 the first time. It's a 2024 Gold Wing. So now I'm gonna take my time, baby this thing up. See if there's anything else that's holding this. Nothing else is holding this. All right, we got that seat off. All right, so we get a chance to look at the Gold Wing together, the inside. This is everything, the wheelbase, the frame. This looks pretty simple. Like if you're taking this off, everything looks easier to remove. What I will tell you is the material on the Gold Wing, it has a plasticky feel to it. It's a pretty cheaper material, which is what they say a lot about the Indians as well. But you're paying for the motor work. I'm paying for the engine, the reliability. That's what I'm paying for. So that part is not cheap, you see? And also you have things here that's already set up for heated seats. I don't have heated seats on this one. It's the standard. And this one has the heated grips. So anyway, enough of the yapping. Let's get this new seat on. Let me see if there's anything I have to remove. I'm doing the ultimate seat for tall riders. And we're gonna reuse the same exact bolts that I just took out, okay? All right, so when you're placing the seat in, there are some brackets that I know need to get lined up. And the brackets are on this seat, they're back here. So I'm gonna make sure to place that in. Make sure to get that inside that bracket first. So that bracket, once it gets in the bracket, you have to definitely kind of hit it back a bit to make sure that it seats where it needs to sit, and make sure that the line, the hole lines up too. All right, so I have the seat in place. So what I'm doing now, just taking my time and trying to get that screw in, which I just lost. I don't think it went far though. I have to just go back in and get that darn bolt. You're gonna need to have, I guess, a magnetic piece because it's a little tricky in here, but we'll get it. All right, so what I did, I got a bigger attachment, which is like a 6mm hex. That way that when I put this in, it just stays right where it needs to be at, right? So once again, like I said, I had to line that up. That way I don't lose that screw again. You guys already know how I do my install videos. When I make the mistakes, you guys will also learn. So here we go. Nice. And I'm gonna look up the torque specs too, just to start getting used to the torque specs of these bikes. All right, now the thing for me to do is to get this piece back on. Like I said, it's a very cheap plastic. It's not, you can feel it's more flimsy, but what I like about this is it's easily, you can take it off easily, get the parts painted if you want to get them painted, whatever. It's not complicated. You know what I'm saying? So this, I'm gonna line this back up. I'm gonna take my time. I don't want to snap. I don't want to break anything. So I'm just gonna take my time and figure out the best way to put this in. I did the other side already, but you know, the left side and right side is always a little different. Let's see something. There we go. Now this is supposed to slide inside of this. Nice. That's it. That's perfect. 1, 2, 3. That didn't take me a long time at all. All right, let me give you guys a visual. That's the first install that you're watching on this 2024 Goldwing. So let's go. All right, so this is the ultimate seat, and this has a deeper pullback than the standard seat, than the stock seat, right? I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it from what I'm gonna show you guys, but if I line this up about right there, you can see that there's a difference about, I would say about 1.5 inches pullback. Also on the back of this backrest, I'm installing this little bag that comes with it. There's Velcro strapped, and that's gonna be the final piece for this install. And then this closes down. Oh, that's cool. And then you have your zippers. But what I'll do, I'm gonna have my wife probably stitch something on here to make sure this doesn't go anywhere. And then of course you also have the Velcro attached right there. Nice. That's what's up. This is dope. All right, let's get the visual and let's see what this thing looks like. Now we all know that, you know, looks is one thing, but performance is another. The question is, how does this feel when I'm riding? But look at how beautiful that looks on the actual bike now that I got rid of that stock seat. You know, stock seats are normally not very attractive. And I love this two-tone. I think it carries the bike to life. I mean, brings the bike to life a bit more. It just looks, yeah, it looks fantastic. There it is. And this is the ultimate seat for tall men or tall riders in general. The install is a quick one. It doesn't take long at all. First installation done. The next thing I'm going to install is going to be the higher windshield. Look at that. Yeah, just giving you guys the close-up shots now so you can see the details in the stitching. That looks awesome. Man, that brought some life to this Goldwing. Yeah, that looks great. Those lines look good. All right, that's it. Guys, we got the Goldwing on the channel. This is what's up. I'm gonna be doing little details. I got a whole lot of stuff to do to this bike. I'm not gonna overdo anything. I'm keeping it pretty basic, but I'm still gonna make it my own and put my own style and finesse to this baby. I'll tell you one thing, it's absolutely gorgeous. I'm just gonna sell that. Anything I take off this bike, I'm gonna sell. So if you guys got Goldwing parts and you know you need Goldwing parts, holla at me, because anything you see me taking off, I'm getting rid of. Let's go. Don't forget, like, comment, share, subscribe. We got a Goldwing on the channel. Let's get it. Peace. Oh yeah, let's get these miles, let's get that money, let's get the muscle. I can't wait for that long distance haul on this bike.